Conagra Foods. Leslie Curzon, we're sorry you didn't get all of your francs in a blanket. We're glad you let us know. Email us at wecare@conagrafoods.com. Thanks. Conagra Foods. Gem Gang Love, sorry for the delay. We'll respond as soon as we can, we promise. Your email is very important to us. Conagra Foods. Revisited, we're sorry to see this. That is not the result you should get with our popcorn. Please email us at wecare@conagrafoods.com. Thanks. Conagra Foods. CISLA 504SL3 Dinah J, thanks for the FF shoutouts. Have a great weekend. Conagra Foods. Onlyze, thanks for the feedback. We'll make note to let our team know you want more meatballs in Chef Boyardee. Thanks. Conagra Foods. FOOTBALLJUMKIE5, we're sorry. We want to talk to you about your experience with our popcorn. Please email us at wecare@conagrafoods.com. Thanks. Conagra Foods. Spartibarts, we're sorry. Are you okay? We'd like to talk to you about your experience with Chef Boyardee. Email us at wecare@conagrafoods.com.